We've talked a little bit about tables. Before we jump in head first, we need to know how to connect to a RDBMS like SQL Server. To get data from a table in SQL Server, we'll use Transact SQL, T-SQL. I will use the AdventureWorks database for examples in this video. Before running a query, we need to take a few steps first. Open our query tool, SSMS, connect to our SQL Server instance or our database engine. SSMS is a Windows-only tool. When I open SSMS, I click the Start menu and search for SSMS. Once Windows finds the application, I click the SSMS application. Now that SSMS is open, I need to connect to a SQL Server instance that I have access to. I'll fill in the database engine with the connection information for my SQL Server. If you're following along with me, look for connection information that you have. I also need to change the authentication type to SQL Server Authentication. I then enter the username and password I was provided to connect to that database engine. I'll pause the video to put in my information. Once you're connected to the database engine, you can open the databases folder to see which databases are available. Right-click on the database and choose New Query. A window will open, and this window is where you will type in your T-SQL commands. You'll see the database you're currently connected to in the drop-down. To verify you're connected to the AdventureWorks database, type in the following command. Select star from production.product. Click the Execute button or press Ctrl E to run the command. You should see several rows and several columns appear. Now that we have successfully connected to a database, we can start working with tables in the database. We'll start that in the next video.